Hello and welcome to our instructional video on how to reduce the rational expression x raised to the power of 2 minus 36 divided by x plus 6 to its lowest terms. In this video, we will go through the step-by-step process of simplifying this expression. Let's get started. First, observe that the numerator x squared minus 36 is a difference of squares. Recall that a difference of squares can be factored using the formula a squared minus b squared equals a plus b times a minus b. Applying this to the numerator x squared minus 36, we have x plus 6 times x minus 6. Therefore, the original expression x squared minus 36 over x plus 6 can be rewritten as x plus 6 times x minus 6 over x plus 6. Since the rewritten expression has x plus 6 appearing both in the numerator and the denominator, we can cancel out the common factor x plus 6 in the numerator and x plus 6 in the denominator. We are left with x minus 6. This is the final step. Therefore, the simplified expression is x minus 6.